Happy Friday. If you've been watching all these driving vlogs, you know the drill. I've been working a lot of hours lately, about to complete a 50-hour work week. I haven't been asked if I wanted to volunteer for Saturday yet, so it might not be open this week, but if they ask me today, I'll definitely volunteer like I always do. So I got this van in February, and the expenses have been fairly minimal. A lot of my old van build transferred to this van build. Today's topic, patience. So I'm on pace to getting my lift kit late November, mid-December. I ran into a few expenses. Like right now I need a new alternator. I got a battery light. My last road trip, it went on for about 100 miles. I watched my voltage, and my voltage didn't drop, but the alternator light, the battery light, went on for about 100 miles for some reason. I like to think of that as a warning. And when I accelerate really hard, there's a minor squeal anyway, belt squeal or pulley squeal somewhere. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna get the tensioner and the alternator change, and of course a new belt. So I'm gonna do that. I need to get new brakes for this van, but my expenses other than that, I haven't done nothing too expensive. Tow hitch, high lift jack mount, nothing too major, because a lot of my stuff from my last van went on here. New solar battery. But patience, it goes a long way, because last night I was looking at a TurboGrafx 16 Mini. I have a gaming channel, but then I told myself, you know what, I have so many video games right now that I don't play because I've been working so much. Do I need a TurboGrafx 16 Mini? So like expenses like that, when you keep doing stuff like that, especially if you're like me, you know, I'm not a rich guy or anything, just a blue collar guy that works as much overtime as I can. When you keep buying these, like rims would be really nice right now, but you know, that's another $500-800 I would spend, and I would tap into my lift kit funds. My Z06 needs new tires right now. So do I need new tires right now for my Z06? Yes, I do, and I'll do that next year, because how many more times am I going to drive that car in this year? It's going to rain in mid-November anyway. That's just around the corner. So in mid-November it's going to start raining again. So do I really need new tires for my Z06? I could wait till next year, because that's another $1,000 that's going to tap into my lift kit funds. So it's all about patience when you're trying to do a big purchase. So right now I'm just trying to be patient right now. Look, I bought this right now, $6. It was on sale. Did I really need this? I bought 2 of them, so $12. I spent $12 on 2 things I probably don't even need. Do I really need seat covers? But you know, it's fun. I want a big kahuna shower. I really need a big kahuna shower right now. I could just fill up my water gallons and wash my hands like that. I like to wash my hands a lot, you know. So do I need a big kahuna shower to wash my hands? That's another $140. So when you keep doing these purchases, like, oh, let me get some rims, let me get a TurboGrafx 16 Mini, when you keep doing stuff like that, you're just tapping into your funds. So that's one thing, you know. If you're wealthy, of course, all these little expenses, it's no big deal to keep doing stuff like that. But for me, it's like, okay, if I got a big kahuna shower, you know, if I got tires for my Z06, if I got a TurboGrafx 16 Mini, that would all tap into my lift kit fund. Then I would keep pushing it back. It's already been pushed back a slight bit because I needed new brakes, and it's gonna be pushed back a tiny bit because I need a new alternator and tensioner. But those are, you know, mandatory expenses that I need. What else did I buy? Here, I spent another $6 on this car seat trash bag. Do I really need that? Probably not, but you know, I want to be neat on my road trips. I just have a little plastic bag and I put the trash to the side. I want to just throw it behind me. So you know what, $12 plus 5, that's another $17 that I didn't need to spend tapping into my lift kit fund. So, you know, you gotta watch those expenses. So yeah, you know, the brakes and the alternator and tensioner, that's gonna tap into my lift kit fund a little bit, but like I said, it's a necessary expense. But you know, I stopped myself from getting a big Kahuna shower, and I stopped myself from getting a TurboGrafx 16 Mini, because that would set me back $220, another $220 that I don't need to be set back. So it's got to be patient here. I'm on the home stretch. December, mid-December is not too far away. Late November, mid-December, it's not too far off. So all I got to do is be patient here, and I'll get my lift kit soon. All right, everyone. There's a little common sense advice for the day, but I think a lot of us are guilty of that. Like, we have a big goal, and then we kind of like prevent ourselves from making that goal sometimes when we buy little things like that, when we want to buy something really expensive. Take it easy, everyone. Off to work here.